the afternoon of March 4th, the Central Weather Agency issued real-time information about heavy thunderstorms for 19 counties and cities including Taipei, New Taipei, Taoyuan, Taichung, and Kaohsiung. Hail fell in many places such as Wuri and Daya in Taichung, and local netizens also uploaded videos on social media. As hail fell in many areas of New Taipei City this morning, the Meteorological Agency reminded this morning that during the spring and summer, due to strong convection, there is a tendency for heavy rain, accompanied by strong winds, forming a squall line system, which makes hail more likely. As the front moves from today to tomorrow morning, strong convection may cause hail to fall again. The Meteorological Agency also explained that the cause of hail formation is the same as the cause of rain formation, but when the rising air current carries water vapor upwards, it can also carry condensed water droplets to higher places. At this time, if the temperature at high altitudes is below 0 degrees Celsius, the water droplets can condense into ice crystals, and eventually fall as hail because the rising air currents cannot support their weight. In the afternoon, the Meteorological Bureau issued real-time information on heavy thunderstorms for 19 counties and cities, including Keelung City, Taipei City, New Taipei City, Taoyuan City, Hsinchu City, Hsinchu County, Miaoli County, Taichung City, Changhua County, Nantou County, Changhua County, Yunlin County, Chiayi City, Chiayi County, Tainan City, Kaohsiung City, Yilin County, Hualien County, and Penghu County. In addition, a warning of mountain river flooding due to heavy rain was issued for Taichung City, Hsinchu County, Chiayi County, and Nantou County. Heavy rain fell in Hewan Mountain, Renai Township, Nantou County, and Shenyi Township in the afternoon, even accompanied by hail. As the hailstorm continued for a while, a thin layer of ice covered Hewan Mountain, as if it was snowing. Several vehicles skidded and got stuck due to the ice on the road, and police in the area rushed to deal with it.